Om Sakti. One day, I unexpectedly met a friend who was also a devotee of Amma. He was from a wealthy family and had been blessed with all fortunes one can imagine. But he was not content. I once asked him why he looked worried. Though he hesitated to open up initially, he later started talking. He said, I have everything in life. I have been following the path of righteousness as guided by Amma, and I continue to do charity with her blessings. Still, there's a void in my heart, and I don't feel content. I could empathize with him and wanted to help him. I started narrating a story. A prince became the new king after his father's death. He ruled the kingdom wisely under the council of ministers and learned men. People loved him, but he wasn't happy. He always found emptiness in his heart that worried him. So he decided to invoke blessings from the Almighty by offering prayers and performing rituals in a sacred fire called Yajna. Many pious men attended the Yajna and blessed him with prosperity and long life. In the end, a saint with glowing eyes, who wasn't interested in the gifts offered by the king, came near him and said, "O king, try to get rid of the void in your mind," and he left abruptly. The king was taken aback. He took the saint's words seriously and started looking for ways to fill the void. He performed a lot of charity, following every known kind of righteousness, but he still felt that void. Giving up, he solicited the saint to his court and asked, "O saint, I have not been able to get rid of the void in my mind like you said. It seems to be increasing every day and I am unable to rule my kingdom peacefully." The saint said, "If you are not able to rule the kingdom peacefully, then give it to me." Though surprised, the king obliged to give away the kingdom. The saint asked, "Now what will you do?" To which the king replied, "I have to take up a job somewhere to fend for my family." "Instead of working elsewhere, why don't you work for me?" asked the saint. Speechless, the king happily agreed. The saint immediately said, "Do the same job you did until now. Rule the kingdom for me as my representative. I may conduct a surprise audit anytime." Saying so, the saint left the palace. The king went back to his job and ruled the kingdom efficiently. After a year, the saint came back. He asked the king who welcomed him, "How is your regime?" "Everything is going well. People are happy. There is prosperity in the kingdom with flawless administration. Everything is in place." "What happened to the void in your mind?" "Void? That's gone. Please conduct the audit." The saint laughed and asked, "O king, I am not interested in the accounts. Just tell me how the void disappeared." The king was unable to express himself in words. The saint explained to him, "Before you offered me your kingdom, you thought that everything belonged to you and that you were responsible. You were constantly under pressure and that worried you, hence the void in your mind. But later, when you worked for someone else with the same responsibilities, you weren't pressurized, hence the contentment. Believe that nothing belongs to you. It all belongs to God, and you are the servant of God performing your duties in this birth. Remove the thoughts of me, mine, myself, and just perform your duty without worrying about the outcome." As I finished the story, my friend looked enlightened. He held my hand and said, "Thanks a lot. Through her oracles, Amma told me several times this birth of yours is only to dissolve karma from your previous birth. You have been given family, wealth, and relatives for this reason. You must perform your duty. But mindlessly, I have been assuming that everything is mine, my property, earned solely by my hard work and effort. Now I know the reason for the emptiness in my mind." His void and worries seemed to have vanished. He felt awakened and realized his part in the game. Have we too? The source, Sakti Oli Magazine, May 2016. Om Shakti.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.